Palmgrass has a mission of unearthing and preserving Cebuano culture and heritage. This is the reason why we keep our Cebuano heroes alive by dedicating our bestseller dishes in honor of them. Humba ni Maxilom, one of Palmgrass' bestseller dishes named in honor of Cebu hero General Arcadio Maxilom. Humba is a pork dish with Spanish and Chinese influence. It is the Cebuano version of adobo. An adobo is a term with Spanish origin, adobar, which means to marinate in vinegar, salt, garlic, and pepper. Cebu also had precolonial trade with the Chinese, and the Chinese influence in the humba can be seen in the use of fermented black beans and its sweet taste. The soy sauce also has Chinese origin. Other ingredients are the onions, azucenas, and bananas. Onions are a common ingredient of Spanish cuisine. So the wok or caja used in cooking the humba also is of Chinese origin. The meat is simmered over low fire to soften it. So some say humba means humok, and baboy or pork. So it's humok na baboy or soft pork. We named this dish in honor of Cebu hero General Arcadio Maxilom, who led the Cebu Revolution to victory. We present to you Humba ni Maxilom, a dish as tasty as Cebu's victory against its colonizer.